Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video, let's do the review of these newly launched JBL C100 TWS True wireless earbuds. And as you can see, guys, it's over here. I've already opened it up and I've been testing it for a day or so. So actually, these go inside these like this, left and right. Over here, one over here, and it closes in the box. And as you can see, it also has a LED light over here that means it's actually charging. While it's charging, it denotes. And right now the battery is about 50%, hence it's 2 LEDs. We have 3 LEDs. We'll come back to this later. So it comes in this box and it says pure bass, and definitely yes, the bass is actually significantly boosted on these ones. And here it says that the pricing is 7,900 something, but I feel this is completely wrong because it's available on Flipkart for 3,999 rupees, as you can see with the link. And again, here gives us a basic idea about the earbuds. We actually have physical buttons. I'll show you, so you can control a lot of stuff. And also the battery life in my testing was actually pretty good on this one. They claim about 5 hours with the buds, but we also have that case, so it's about 12 hours of extra on this one. So apart from this, you just get a few other accessories. I'll just show you that. You keep the box. You get a micro USB cable. Sadly, yes, micro USB, not USB Type C. And we also get extra pair of ear tips. 2 extra you get on this. I didn't change it. I'm using the default one. It fitted me perfectly, but my daughter said that the default fit was a little bit tight, so you might have to change it. Apart from that, the standard manual and stuff, you get it, quick start guide and all those things, and basic stuff, I would say. So let me keep these things to the side for now, and let's look at these. So this is the main thing, and as you can see, it has that JBL branding, and this is actually made up of plastic, but it's actually decent quality plastic. But again, as I've told you, the charging is micro USB, not the latest Type C. But apart from that, yeah, it's okay. And you open this up, and these are true wireless, so you take it out, and while it's charging, we also, I don't think so, yeah, camera can pick it up. We also have a small LED light on this tip. While it's charging, this also glows in white color when it's in the box. But again, you don't have to worry. As it's charging, it denotes like this, so it just stays on like this while it's charging. When it's fully charged, these just stop. So that's what it is. And if you just take these out and you can put it in your ear, left and right. And guys, because these are in here, they do form a good seal, so it sort of acts like a noise cancellation. They don't have any active noise cancellation, but the seal is actually really good, so it blocks about 90% of the sound around you, and even at about 50% volume, if you're listening, you can't hear anything. So it's passive noise cancellation that we have. And in terms of comfort, as I've told you, I didn't change the tips. I'm using the default tips, and for me, they're comfortable. They sit in your ear, and if you do this also, it does not fall. But again, you might have to change the tips for the perfect fit. You have to play around for that, and it just fits in your ear like this, or it'll be looking like this, as you can see. Apart from this one good thing that I like on these earbuds is that you have that JBL logo, but we actually have physical buttons both on the right side like this, and even on the left side. And using this, you control stuff. For example, on the right side one, you can play and pause music via this. I've just activated it, and I'll just press it once, so I'll just pause. And when you get a call also, you can actually just press this and you can take the call. And the left one you will use, again, this also has a physical button. You'll use it to skip tracks or even go back to a previous track. So that is the functionality, and I really like this one because with many of the other earbuds and stuff, the problem is that they have that touch sensor or something, and most of the time it does not work. With this one, we don't have that problem because it's a physical button that we are getting, and it works every time. And again, one more thing that I've noticed is that, as you can see, I have only one bud over here, and the other bud I've just kept it back here, and it works that way also. For example, while you're taking calls and stuff, you don't want both of them, so you can just put one and it works. So that is also a good thing with this one. So that's what it is. Now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life, as I've told you, the battery life is actually pretty good on this one. Roughly about 4 or slightly above 4 hours you should get within a charge. But again, you will keep it back in this what do you say, charger, this case, so it starts charging automatically, and this will give you about 3 charges, and to charge this will take approximately about 2 hours. So again, typical what we are seeing stuff. So battery life is good because many of the earbuds generally these portable ones give about 2 or 3 hours. This is decent enough. This will give you more than about 4 hours. And the pairing was also not an issue. As you can see, we also have these LED lights over here. It's glowing here. It's connected to my phone. That's why. So you have that. So you have that notification. And now if we talk about the Bluetooth range, here also I was happy with the Bluetooth range. These are typical, the supports Bluetooth 5, and these typically have about 30 feet of line of sight if nothing is there. But again, you don't use it like that. In a typical room, I would say I was able to hear the songs without any skippage, even when I was in the next room without any issue. So the range is actually good on this one. Not a problem with the range. And yesterday I used it continuously for about 3.5 hours. I even watched a movie, listened to music, and during the 3.5 hours continuously, it never disconnected or skipped. So that's actually nice. Now let's talk about one of the most important things I feel, that is, how does it sound? If I have to rate it, first let's divide it into 3 parts. The bass, then we'll talk about the mid-tones, the vocals and mid-tones, and the highs. And here I would say, in terms of bass, as you see in the box, it says that pure bass and stuff. I think so they have gone really bonkers with that. There's definitely, the bass is sort of emphasized on this one and boosted quite a bit. Don't get me wrong, I would say the bass is more emphasized, but that is the sound signature that most of us Indians actually like. We like some extended bass, so you definitely had that, but I would say they have really tuned it to have that extra bass. For most of the music, I really enjoyed the bass that you're getting, but we do have some tracks where already we have some boosted bass, so I felt that the bass was slightly excessive. So in terms of bass, I would rate it 8 out of 10. Now if we talk about the vocals and the mid-tones, here I would say JBL has really nailed it. The vocals sounded spectacular, smooth, really forward. They do, I feel, how it's tuned, the vocals stand out quite a bit on this one, and the mid-tones are also produced very well. The sounds of instruments and stuff were very soothing. So I would rate it 10 on 10 in terms of vocals and mid-tones. And now moving to the higher tone, higher frequencies, they were also very well produced on this one, and I would rate it 9.5 out of 10. So overall, I would say very good sounding earphones, but certainly it does have that slightly excessive bass, which I feel many of the users, at least in India, like that. And if I have to talk about the sound stage, the sound stage is also very good. It has excellent stereo separation. You can really make out that the sound is coming from this track. The what do you say, instrument separation is also done very well. So the sound stage is also very well done. So overall, they sound really great. I would say the battery life is also decent. If I have to nitpick, the 2 minor cons that I noticed with this one is that micro USB port instead of USB Type-C that you are getting on this one, and that slightly extended bass that I've noticed. But again, I feel most of you would like that. And if I have to actually rate these earphones, I would rate them 4.5 out of 5. So guys, that was my review of these JBL C100 TWS, and these are sold in India via Flipkart. I'll leave the link in the description below for reference. Anyways guys, what do you feel about these one? And if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.